Georgi,
Yes.
finish already?
Yes.
Maybe walk little bit.
Where?
A little bit. What you want? Eat. Swiss chalet you want or you don't like? Don't want, okay? А вот, where? You want protein? But where? I don't know where better. McDonald's?
I don't know.
No, little bit walk. I want to see this road. Georgi, how you play today? Good? In Mykonos, many people?
No?
Not? Okay. I don't know. Tequila Reef don't have chicken. Not so many people in Tequila Reef. Maybe I don't have chicken for you. Or you want McDonald's? Chicken, Georgi. Proteins you want? You don't like, I know. McDonald's better for you. Okay. Okay, we can go. Where you want? Clark? But today so many people. So many. because now half road only. That's why I look like many. Tomorrow you go to the Meikas also. Georgi go to the bar, Club Star. Hi everyone, we continue video already in McDonald's Clark, because Georgi going to the bar, and I also talk with our subscriber from USA. We long time talk, and I already not filming. We just only going to eat. So I want ask Georgi, because one girl say to him, what say free?
When we walk, maybe Club Stars, I don't remember.
Club Stars, yes.
They invite me, beautiful ladies, and he tell me free. I stop and come back and come inside the bar and choose one and ask him how many hours. He tell 5 hours. Okay, let's go for free.
For free, because he
Yes.
said for free, yes.
Yes, but he tell, yes, you can go for free, but you need to pay bar fine.
Ah.
You don't pay anything to lady. You pay 4,500 pesos bar fine, and you can go.
4,500 peso bar fine.
Yes.
It's I think it's not for all night. You cannot all night drink coffee with this girl.
He
Only
tell 5 hours.
5 hours you can drink coffee, yeah? Okay. Okay. For example, if you want to, if customer want to take girl to the beach, for example, to the Subic, how much need to pay? For example, a guest want to go to the Subic and to the beach with girl. I think it's so expensive.
Yes, maybe 10,000.
10,000.
So I catch him. He tell me he promise for free, but he
But what for free? With free drink maybe?
he tell beautiful ladies for free.
Ah, maybe for girl free, but for bar you need to pay. I think. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. This is our last day walking in the Angeles City, walking street. Why last? You can know soon in another video. Thank you for watching.